Does an alleged victim actually need to be injured for domestic violence charges to be brought? Attorney Mace Yampolsky explains. A screaming match wouldn't be sufficient to bring domestic violence charges, but if someone is hit and there are no marks to prove it, domestic violence could still be charged. This means that an injury is not necessary in order for domestic violence charges to be brought. If the alleged victim changes their story and says that they do not want to press charges, the case will not necessarily go away. This is because the state of Nevada becomes the complaining party, and if the state of Nevada does not want to drop the charges, then it's not going to happen. In some cases, the victim could speak with the prosecutor and explain that they overreacted out of emotion and that the defendant really didn't do anything. Under such circumstances, the DA could choose to dismiss the charges. On occasion, we will do a stayed adjudication, which is when the client pleads guilty with the promise that if they successfully meet all of the requirements, their case will be reduced to a lesser charge or dismissed altogether. In most cases, the charge would be reduced to the straight battery or disorderly conduct, neither of which carries as many requirements. In some cases, the alleged perpetrator is not at the scene by the time the police arrive. If the police do not make contact with the alleged perpetrator within 24 hours, they will send them a summons that states that they need to be in court on a certain date. Either the defendant or their lawyer can go to the court, plead not guilty, obtain the police reports, and have the case set for trial. Most of these cases resolve before trial, but some of them don't. If a case goes to trial, self-defense is one strategy that's often used. For example, if someone is being hit by another person, they can hit them back to protect themselves. Defense of a third party is also a defense. Mace Yampolsky and Associates have been helping people accused of crimes in Las Vegas, Nevada for over 40 years. Our law firm has attorneys with proven credentials, which can make a tremendous difference in the resolution of your case.